Assalamu alaikum MHSA fans, welcome back to another video. Today I will be solving another question from this book, Cambridge IGCSE and O-Level Additional Maths coursework. The question I will be attempting is question number 12 from exercise 2.1. Let's begin. The question is y squared is equal to 4x and 2x plus y is equal to 4. Now, since why will if I want to make y the subject, I have to take under root here and here, which will affect this equation a lot. So it's wiser to change, make y the subject in this equation, because if we make x the subject, then we'll have to divide the entire equation by 2, which would again be a problem. So y is equal to 4 minus 2x. 4 minus 2x whole square is equal to 4x. I basically put this entire equation to the place of y in the other equation. So we're going to open it using the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 16 minus 2 into 4 is 8 and 8 into 2 is 16. So 16x plus 4x squared minus 4x is equal to 0. I brought this 4, which was positive, to this area, which was negative, and turn into a negative. Let's sum up these two. 4x squared minus 20x plus 16 is equal to 0. We're going to take 4 common. 4. So we're going to be left with 4x squared minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. It's multiplying, the 4 is multiplying here, so it will go and divide with 0, which will automatically turn to 0. So we're left with the equation 4x squared minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. We're going to middle term break this into, so that when we add two numbers, we get the answer of minus 5, and when we multiply them, we get the answer of 16. We're going to take x squared. Sorry, I messed up. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. It was supposed to be x squared here. So everyone who was shouting at me or thinking I was wrong, I'm sorry. I've corrected my mistake. Minus 4x minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. X squared minus 5x plus 4 is 0. So the middle term is x squared minus 4x minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. So if we sum up these two, we get minus 5, and if we multiply them, we get 4. Of course, we get 4. We can take x common, so x minus 4, and here we're going to take minus 1 common, so x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 1, x minus 4 is equal to 0. We're going to separate them into two different equations. X minus 1 is equal to 0, and x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. So if we put into the original equation, which is y is equal to 4 minus 2x, or y is equal to 4 minus 2 into 1, y is equal to 4 minus 2, y is equal to 2. So 4, oh sorry, 1 comma 2, y is equal to 4 minus 2 into 4, y is equal to 4 minus 8, y is equal to minus 4. So 4 comma minus 4. So this was the answer to this equation, and this was the steps in following them. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'll go through the steps one more time. These were the first steps. This was the second set of steps, and this was the last set of steps. So I hope you guys found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and inshallah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.